Here's a sight you don't see very often in Tucson. We are getting hammered with snow. This has just happened in the last 10 minutes, and it's supposed to go on for at least another couple hours. This storm has gotten worse and worse with every forecast, so I'm going to have to be out here with a rake and try to save my vegetation because the trees are going to take on snow and the branches will break, and then, oh my, look at my grill. I grilled on that yesterday. This is unbelievable. I'm going out to the front. Oh my God, there's like a little lip at my garage door with a little bit of snow on it. So amazing! This is the biggest snow since I moved here. I mean, we had some snow in 2007 that was pretty impressive, but this is going to be way, way, way more than that. We're going to probably get some inches of snow here. I love it! Let's go outside. Oh, my floors are going to be a mess. Oh, it's too cold. Oh, I'm so chilly. You chickens. You chickens. Nobody wants to go in the snow. Come on, Sasha. Sasha went in the snow. Come on, baby. Good girl. Good girl. Yes.